Hello fans, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today fan we are going to talk about great display and brightness setting. And today video title is guys how can we enable guys phone auto brightness mode setting in Oppo phone. Friends, you want to enable guys your phone auto brightness guys, you want to use your phone auto brightness mode setting. So how can you enable and how can you use it? First of all guys, open your phone setting, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting. So we will tap on guys the search bar bright display and brightness guys. So friends, you can see display and brightness. We will tap here. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see phone auto brightness guys. You want to enable and guys you can see brightness decreased. We will increase it first of all. And friends, you can see after enable brightness will decrease automatic. Because guys I am inside the room. That's why guys my brightness decrease automatic. So like that guys you can enable guys your phone auto brightness mode setting and you can use. Then guys you will go outside. When you will come inside, brightness will increase and decrease automatic in our Oppo phone device. So bye friends.